So my bro here thinks that he can make a better puppy dog face than me, and I don't think so. So you can say who has the better puppy dog face, okay? I'll go first. That's not it. Okay. Ready? Ready? Let me just stop. Okay. Here's my puppy dog face. No, you make your puppy dog face, Pooh. Go, put the lemon down, thunder thighs. Okay, go. It's like you got hit by a bus or something. Oh my god, you have huge, humongous teeth. Okay, what other face should we do?
I don't know, P.
Okay, let's go.